Although I'm no expert at setting tables, I do love the look of cloth napkins. But let's face it, who wants to clean those things all the time? They get dirty pretty much as soon as you put them out. So this is an excellent option for you if you like the look of real napkins. These were sent to me to test out from an honest review. And an amazing thing about this product is that you don't have to worry about your kids spilling ketchup on your nice dinner napkins because these are disposable and they come in so many different colors. If you can't decide which color you like, you're in luck because they will send you 3 free samples. That way you can pick out your favorite colors. Not only do these napkins look nice, but they're actually much more efficient at cleaning up spills. So not only are they elegant, but they are actually very useful as well. Now, I decided to go with this terracotta color as well as the red because I figured the holidays are going to be here before we know it. And I'm just going to have fun playing around with my table settings. So I definitely give this product a thumbs up.